Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Love to bake but don't want to spend a lot of dough on a stand mixer? A capable hand mixer can perform many of the same tasks for a fraction of the price, and it won't take up valuable counter space. Many newer models even come with handy storage cases for attachments, so you don't have to rummage through your utensil drawer looking for them. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of electric hand mixer on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
.600 watts powerful hand mixer with turbo provides an efficient solution to accommodate any baking recipe, 10 high speeds to meet all of your mixing needs. Mixing the same food can save half of the time compared to other competitors, like beating eggs, mashed potatoes, mixing cookie dough. The professional motor made of premium pure copper can prolong service life of the handheld mixer 1.5 times than ordinary motors. Stainless steel plus premium ABS body, SGS proved. Nadison electric handheld mixer comes with a storage base. 2 beaters plus 2 dough hooks. Stainless steel can be plugged into the base for storage to keep your countertop clean and tidy. 2.1 pounds lightweight hand mixer and ergonomic handle, easy to grip.
Number 2.
Upgrade hand mixer electric has 5 different speed and turbo function, which can meet all your mixing needs and can help you whipping, mix and knead. While the turbo function of the kitchen hand mixer can help you to blend more quickly. The electric hand mixer with heavy-duty 300 volts motor is more powerful than standard motor. Ultra power improves the speed of mixing and solves many problems for your kitchen efficiently. Press the eject button can remove beaters from the compact hand mixer with the single-handed easily and quickly. Electric hand mixer electric come with 4 pieces 304 stainless steel accessories, 2 beaters and 2 dough hooks, which can tackle different kitchen tasks. The electric kitchen hand mixer will help you cook top-notch cuisine, and no rust and fall off will appear after long time use.
Number 3.
Rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers optimal run time and performance. Battery indicator light signals when it is time to charge the battery. Designed to stand all on its own, lifting the beaters up and out of the bowl and workspace. 7 speeds to stir, mix, and whip all of your favorite recipes, from slow stir for chunky ingredients, to medium for creaming butter and sugar, and high speed to whip egg whites and heavy creams. Soft start feature brings the beaters up to the selected speed gradually to help prevent ingredients from splattering.
Number 4.
Flex Edge beaters deliver 2x the surface area for faster, more thorough mixing. Compared to metal turbo beater 2 accessories based on cake batter. With our wide range of speeds, you have the right speed for the task at hand, from mixing in nuts and chocolate chips at speed 1, to whipping perfect meringues at speed 6. Securely store your accessories with the integrated storage clip that attaches to the underside of your mixer, eliminating the need for bulky containers and/or storage boxes.
Number 5.
Cordless hand mixer, cordless and stand on its own design, lifting the beaters up and out of the bowl and workspace. Get rid of the power cord, let you work more convenience. Rechargeable and Type-C charger port, up to 60 minutes running time on a full charge. Base on max 7 speed of chocolate chip cookies. Rechargeable 6000 mAh battery with Type-C, make sure a long running time. 7 speeds with digital display, 7 speeds to stir, mix, and whip all of your favorite recipes, from slow stir for chunky ingredients, to medium for creaming butter and sugar, and high speed to whip egg whites and heavy creams.